Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a product in hand. This is the Logitech StreamCam, and we're going to be taking a look at this thing and doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of it. So if you enjoy this sort of content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We're at 1,000 subscribers on Scott Tyler. And yeah, let's hop right into the boxing. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, people, let's hop into this thing. Here we go, Logitech StreamCam. I'll just show you the box overall. This is the front, 1080p, 60 FPS, USB Type-C connection. I got the white version. I would have gotten the black version, but honestly, the white version was just less money. So I was like, why not? I'll get the white version. To the side, you can also set it in portrait mode, which is cool. And then here are just some overall specs on the back. 1080p, 60 frames per second, premium glass lens, yada, yada, yada. Smart autofocus. The smart autofocus is nice, especially for reviewing technology. If you want the autofocus to focus really quickly on something that you put close up to it. So that's one of the main reasons I went for this one. And also this has good low light capabilities, in my opinion. At least that's what I've seen from reviewers so far. Handy dandy Smith & Wesson knife right there. Love this thing. Pop this open. There's the StreamCam itself. We've got a quick diagram of how you can put it in portrait mode and also mount it on a tripod. Got this nice like fiber around the lens, which is kind of cool. Nice touch, Logitech. You can take the webcam. Interesting packaging here. It's kind of just all like random stuff. Put the box off to the side and okay. Here's the mount to actually put it in landscape or portrait mode. Here's the actual webcam. This thing does feel heavy, which is good sign. It shows it's premium. And this is the sort of mount onto your monitor. I assume most people will be using it for that, but you can also mount it to a tripod, which is cool. Here's the tripod mount itself. USB Type-C connection right there, as you can see. Do we get anything else in the box, or is that it? I think that's it. Let me plug this thing in. I know this is mostly an unboxing and first impressions, but look at the size of that lens. Nice large lens, Logitech logo, and decently sized cable. Let me take it off. Oh, and also a pamphlet. How to use the thing. It's plug and play. There's nothing complicated about this, which is nice. Another pamphlet. It's kind of useless. But yeah, you get the gist. It's a webcam. I believe you can pop it out of this if you just pull hard enough, and it just pops right back in. And you should also be able to put it in portrait mode. I guess portrait mode can be useful for like TikToks, I guess, or depending on like if you want 9:16 content. I don't know why you would, but like it's there. So let's just plug this thing in and let's see what the initial quality is. Default settings, all that sort of stuff. Let's see what it is. And I also have since this is USB Type-C and my motherboard doesn't actually support USB Type-C connection, I got a USB Type-C to USB-A connector or adapter, so I can plug this into my PC. Okay, people, so this is the Logitech StreamCam. I currently have it next to my Logitech C920, but the quality looks pretty good. This is 1080p, 60 frames per second. I'm not sure if I'm going to downscale that to 30 frames per second. I probably will in editing, but yeah, it has a nice light on top, and the audio you're getting from it right now is all from the microphone itself. So yeah, has the light on it, letting you know it's on and recording. And honestly, this is a very low light environment I'm in, and the frame rate seems to be pretty good, and it seems to be keeping my face in focus no matter where I go. Big step up from the Logitech C920 in my opinion, probably because the sensor is much larger on this one compared to the C920, and this is awesome because the frame rate's actually really good as well. So let me know how the video and audio quality is on this. This is default settings right out of the box, no adjustments. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everyone.